Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Stock Pivot Pre-Market Analysis. Let's deep dive into the key market insights today. We'll start with S&P 500. We'll be doing analysis on the daily time frame, or reason being today we have the Fed meeting. 2:30, the Powell will speak about the interest rate cut. Most likely, we are expecting it to go unchanged. If the rate go unchanged, it's more of a bearish to the neutral for the market. If they cut the rate, then the market will be bullish as new liquidity will flow to the market. So what we are looking at in the market today, S&P 500 on the daily time frame, if you look at this point, 561, one rejection, 561, another rejection, and today we are at 561, which is working as a resistance for the market from the downside. We are in wave 3, 1, 2, 3, 561 at 200 EMA. We are looking at a rejection. So there is a possibility of market sell-off into wave 4 and then continue upward towards 571.83. So we are precise at the point where it's a make or break day today. So this area 561 will be watching closely how the market will react to the today's event. So we'll have an eye on the 561, and then we'll decide whether the market will continue or there will be a rejection and form the wave 4 into 551 area, like $10, about 2% drop in the market right in this area, wave 4, and then continue to 571.83. So today, I'll not be opening any trade. We'll be just monitoring the market closely, and we will have a close eye on the 561 resistance to break. This is a very strong resistance. We have three resistance in the S&P 500. First was 541, then it was 551, and now the 561. And the fourth one is 571. That's where the market will sell off 100%. So we'll be monitoring this price action right here at 561 today. Moving forward to Tesla, we have a neckline rejection right here. We also have, we are in wave 4 already. So if you look at wave 1 started right here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if we are in wave 4 right here, we are looking for a pullback at 256.84 precise to the penny. This Fibonacci golden zone retracement into this and then continue upwards. Upside price target, I'm looking for 354. The Tesla will not sell off before 354. Downside price target 256.84. We'll be looking for a long position. We'll be loading our position into the 256 area. We'll be exiting all position in this area. This fractal point right here, 254, all position will be closed. So downside, worst case, if you look at these equal low, point number 1, point number 2, point number 3, this is the area that the buyer and the institution are trying to defend. So if anyone looking like all in position, your area stands in 217 area, 217.02. This is the area that you can go all in, but we'll build our position into 56.84. With those who are patient and want the bottom hunting, 217 is your bottom. It's not going to drop below $217. So it's a multiple equal points where the institution and the buyer is trying to defend, 217.02. Moving forward to MSTR, we had this stock in our black box yesterday. We have hit the price target of $403, which was our price target. It's in pullback right now, wave 4 pullback. The maximum I'm looking for 350, 343 area to pull back right here and then continue upward, because this is directly related to the Bitcoin. So MSTR cannot be analyzed alone. So we'll go to the Bitcoin and then we'll see how this will play around. So one of the stock that we are talking about, SoFi, good stock. This is the area that we are looking for, 1177 to build our position. This is the area that we want to go all in. Or in the pullback area. We are in downtrend. The market will pull back in this area. And then 1177, it's coming on the wave 4. 1177 will build the position. Basically, we'll be shorting the put instead of buying the share. And we'll be riding it to the price target. We are looking for 1630 to close our position. Last time we traded this area. We traded from 1030 to all the way to 1447. This was our price target. We took exit in this position. So we traded this entire run. Now we are looking for this another pullback into 1177 area, which will also be a first lower high, like this point to the second point right here. If I draw the angle for you, so this is what we are looking at. first lower high in this area. So pull back in this area, we take the position and then we ride all the way to 16.30. That's where we'll exit our position and close all the trade right at this fractal and the point of control, the red line you see here. So 1630 is the price target, 1177, 1175 is the area that we'll be looking to buy SoFi. Moving forward to hood, we'll continue. We are holding a short strangle on this one. We'll continue trading. We are looking for a pullback again on this area into 41 something. This area 41 will be closing our short call, which will be in profit in this area, as well as the put, long put we have, will be booking profit on them, and we'll let the short put assigned to us. So we'll end up taking the share in a $40 per share. So that's how you buy the share in the market. Moving forward to stock of the week that I'm looking at, Roku. This is the time that to build the position in Roku. We are looking for 130% upside on this stock. Sorry, $130 price target. So price target for Roku is 130.57. This is the stock that you want to build your position. Right now it's selling at discount. It was trading right here $106, now trading at 60. Also trading at the trend line. If you look at point number 1, point number 2. So this is probably the last drop on the Roku. And if you build your position, easily here is your target, 104 minimum. But I'm looking for 130.57, which is on a daily time frame. So we'll be riding. There is enough. Even if you ride all the way to just the Fibonacci level, still there is enough money to be made right here in 80 to the Fibonacci retracement, this area. So from 60 all the way to $84, enough money to be made right here on the Roku. So build your position, start building on Roku, be it TFSA account, be IRA, or your normal trading account. No covered call on Tofu, just simple plain share buying and holding. Moving forward, let's go to analyze the VIX today, because it will play the crucial role. We have the Fed meeting and the market will be volatile. Most likely, I'm looking for a sell-off in the market, because irrespective of the stock that you are looking for, you will see the MACD death cross no matter what. And on the VIX, you are looking at a golden cross coming up. You see the trend has changed already right here. You see the needed volume area left. Now we are crossing the 9 and 30 EMA, bullish. Also, the 9 and 22 on MACD is turning into golden cross. So if the VIX will shoot up into 29.70, that means the market will sell off. And that's the reason the market is about to sell off. If you look at VIX right here, the golden cross, trend change, green candle, target 2970, then you will understand the S&P 500 clearly. So on S&P 500, here we have the death cross, so volume fading means the volume is dropping. And also we have the wave 4. So this wave 4 right here, wave 1, 2, 3, 4. This wave 4 towards 541 area is the wave 1 on right here on the VIX. So all the way 2970, and then the S&P 500 wave 4 will finish, and then again the VIX will drop and the market will recover towards wave 5. So most likely we are heading into a market sell-off. Moving forward to Bitcoin. If you look at on a daily time frame, there is some interesting two Marubozu awareness candle. This particular candle 1 and candle number 2. This one, this particular here, we are looking for equal high. So this particular candle and multiple rejection into $97,000. So on this, even if you are looking for a longer term, I'm looking for a pullback into 86,000 area. And if you are a short term, you are good to trade between 93,000 all the way to 101,000, $1,800. So this is the area that you are looking to trade in a short time frame. So from 93,000 to 101. So this is the area that you are looking to trade in a short time frame, on a 30-minute time frame, like if you're a trader. If you're a new investor, long-term holding your position, wait for $86,000. This is the area that the price will come eventually. This is the area. It has to sell off sooner or later. Maybe 10 days, maybe 20 days, 30 days, nobody knows. But it has to sell off. market or Bitcoin, doesn't matter what assets you are trading, it cannot continue going upward. This run, if you look at this overall run, started in $75,000 and all the way to $97,000. This run has to give you the retracement right into 200 EMA right here at $86,608. So the market will sell off. This will sell off before making the next leg high into $120,000 and 119. So before it goes to 120, it will come back to $86,000 and take this right here, this gap in this area. And then it will continue the upward momentum. Dogecoin will continue holding our position. We are waiting for 0.29 to exit our position. Solana, we are continue holding and investing more on every dip. It's like build your position every drop. So let's move to the one particular stock that I'm not interested today. IONQ. We have the earning in the post market. There's a lot of chatter in the market about quantum computing, and even someone asked in the group as well. But if you look at the chart on the daily time frame, it has a lot of downside. You see that on a daily time frame, wave number 1, wave number 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 4 is the expanding demand of wave 2. Also, you need to pay attention right here that we have a bearish flag right in this area. So this whole thing itself is a bearish flag. And if the supply number 1 repeats this one, we are looking at this stock to drop to 925. This is where it's heading. And it will fail. It will fail because we have reached the Fibonacci level top of the linear regression. If you put this stock in the black box, you will see that where the price target is coming. First price target 16.28, right in this area. This pending order block and the previous low, this area right here. SR interchange, this fractal. So this is where it's coming, the first price target, and second price target 925. So I will completely avoid even looking at on the INQ. There are a lot of chatter on the social media. A lot of retail investors are buzzing about IONQ quantum computer. We have seen enough AI. We have seen enough quantum computer. We have seen everything. We have seen semiconductor. We have seen what do you call mushroom, the stocks and Cybin and all that. We have seen enough talk over the last 19 years. So there's nothing new to us. So this thing will crash eventually into $9.25 or $9.07. So this is the stock I would like to avoid completely, not even look at that. Yes, I'm a buyer at $9. Till then, it will be a pass. So thank you so much for tuning in. That's all for today. If you have any question, you can put in the comment box and I'll reply to you at 10:30. Those who are trading with us in the Discord, I'll see you in the Discord group. And we have Shopify on the black box today, which we put yesterday. So just for the Discord member, I'll go quickly. So we had Shopify in the black box. Yesterday it closed at 93.84. Right now it's trading at 94.64. We are already green on our position. And at the market, on the once it shoot up a little bit more, like in 95, 96 area, we'll be booking profits. And that's all for today. We'll discuss in the Discord. Thanks. Bye.